So I have already created my layer with the black color. Select the text tool. The foreground color is white. Left click and now type your text. Control A to select all text. And now double click here and now I'm going to change the font to Poppins Bold. Reduce the size here 250. So I'm going to increase it to 300. Select the alignment tool. Make sure the align is relative to the image. And now let's center it horizontally. Select the move tool. Hold the control key while moving the text layer to move it on a straight line. So I'm going to place it here like this. And now right click on text layer, layer to image size. And now select the smudge tool. This one here, left click. So here are settings I'm using. And now I'm just going to drag here parts here of the text here upward to make it look like it's fading, like smoke. So now in order to add some colors to this layer, you can either duplicate this layer. So for example, I will duplicate it. I'm going to hide the bottom one. I'm going to change the background color, left click, and say I'm going to change it to this blue here, press OK. Select the gradient tool. I'm going to left click here. I'm going to select the FG to BG, RGB, foreground to background. For the shape, I will go by linear and now go to colors, map, and then gradient map. So here it is. And another way, so I'm just going to hide this one. Let's reveal the first one, the white one. I'm going to create a new layer, click on cycle, fill it with transparency, and then press OK. And now I am still on the gradient tool. Left click here, and now I'm going to select this one here, this gradient I created. For example, I will change it to radial. And now I'm just going to trace like this. So here, press enter. And now I will change the layer mode here to overlay.